Hello, my name is Will Strouse. I'm a principal analytics consultant and Sigma expert at phData. In today's installment of Sigma Made Simple, I want to talk about the help button. The help button is a very, very useful tool with a ton of resources within it. The example I have here is a fun dashboard that I've been working on where I'm using US name data. And I found this interesting date period that I wanted to select, but I just can't remember how to do the date function to get a series of dates in between other than kind of bracketing them. So let's go check out the help button. It's this little circle down in the bottom right corner. And you know what? I'll start with the live chat. Let's send a message and I'm going to say, hey, how do I create an account to group dates? And I don't know, that might be kind of a vague question, but we'll see if anybody gets back to me. But let's go. I'm going to close this and we'll pop the button back open. All right. It's going to take about a minute. That's great. Let's go look at, all right. So here's the help chat again. Oh, she already replied. I couldn't even get up to the rest of the menu. Hey, looking to find a calc type that brackets, can't spell, two dates. Any ideas? She's already replying. Look at this. Sierra. That was fast. Thank you, Sierra. You know, while she's chatting, let's see what else is here in the help button. So the help center, this is just like a general landing page that gives you all of the resources Sigma has, tutorials, sample workbooks, the function index, data modeling guides. This is, the one-stop shop for all of your help needs. Whoa, she already replied. This is crazy. Let me go down. Oh, look at this is incredible. Okay, I can't even get through the rest of the help. Let's check it out here. Wow. Okay. I guess we don't even need to go through the rest of the resources. We could just ask Sierra. Pop up this article. Look at this. Right to the function index, which is also another feature of the help button. If we jump in here, we can try a tutorial. Sigma quick starts are really cool. I'm going to go back to that in a second. The function index is probably the tool I use the most, and any developer will use the most. This is where you look up any of the functions, the syntax, the placement, examples are all within here. And additional features of the help button include the shortcuts or the hotkeys. If you're working on an extended project, these are great ones to learn and maybe pick up one or two a day or one or two a week, and it'll help downtime in your formatting and development. And the what's new section, that gives you all the new releases, and the community is the best place to go. If you're not sure kind of how to ask your question, the community is that call and response where you can send in a specific question that's maybe more detailed and somebody can get back to you in time. But look at the response time of this live chat. I can't believe that was like maybe a minute that they got back to us. This is perfect. Thank you. I can't spell. I love live chats. And I'm going to add an emoji because I can. Hearts. So again, if there's anything that really sets Sigma apart from, it's awesome, apart from their really intuitive spreadsheet-based development, the power of the platform and the number of rows of data that you can process, the ease to create data models, the myriad of data visualization capabilities that they have. My favorite thing in Sigma computing is this live chat. Be sure to sign up for our next Sigma user meetup, because we have a live chat live feature where if you attend the event in person or if you're virtual online, you can sign up and schedule for one-on-one help. Again, it just really creates such a great environment to learn and to always know that there's somebody there available to help you through your toughest problems. Thank you again very, very much for following our series, Sigma Made Simple. Be sure to check out the Sigma and phData booths at Summit if you're attending this year, and have a great weekend.